Hey everybody, this is Chris from Tripping with Chris, and I'm getting ready to pack for my trip to Cuernavaca. So I just wanted to share and show some of the items I'll be packing and some decisions I need to make. First one is I was trying to decide whether to take this suitcase here. It's kind of small versus my gym bag. I'm trying to pack light, but I might want to bring back some mezcal or a bottle of tequila, who knows, something like that. And I have this little side bag that I got in Peru that I like. It's good for being out day to day. You put your chargers in it, anything small you might buy, souvenirs, or these things I printed out for restaurants to go to and all of that. But mostly just for my chargers here. I have three that I can take with me when I'm not going to be out all day, just to be safe if I'm on a trip in the middle of nowhere. I have a couple bags that I take for dirty clothes, and have some toiletries, a couple of masks, even though I don't like wearing masks a lot, but I'll take a couple with me. Started doing a pile of clothes, t-shirts and pants and undershirts and socks over here. So just trying to decide, put everything out so I don't hopefully forget anything. Might take an extra pair of shoes if I go to a nice restaurant or something, maybe, but just trying to decide which one to take. So this is me preparing some for my trip to Cuernavaca for, 4 days, 4 full days, 5 days. So let me know what you think, if I missed anything, and leave something in the comments for Tripping with Chris. Talk to you next time.